Weatherland. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, another mild one tonight. It's going to stay that way for another day or two, depending on how this front waffles across Acadiana. We'll show you that in just a bit, but we do have change on the way down the road, but nothing like what we're seeing in our neighboring state, the Lone Star State back to the west. Check this out at 4 o'clock this afternoon, right near Laredo, pushing 100 degrees. In fact, that little pink right there, that's a 100-degree swath. But out at the airport, 97 degrees. Then you go up to the northern part of the state, sub-freezing, 32, and dropping current readings here in the teens, not including wind chill, 17 up in Amarillo, 81 over in Laredo, and we're doing just fine at 70 degrees here in Lafayette. But you can see that cold front, and boy, it's a cold front as you get up toward Dallas, Abilene. They're expecting wintry precipitation, maybe some icy weather developing through tomorrow. So if you do have a flight going up that way, make sure you stay abreast on the airline cancellations, or maybe not. May not be enough ice up there this time around. Here we go. This is our big, deep, upper level winter storm, and we're kind of under the influence of a subtropical ridge out here in the Gulf of Mexico, and in between an active subtropical jet stream that has been producing heavy rain, severe weather tonight, and eventually will produce ice and snow as well. If you watched our earlier newscast during the course of the day today, big snows across the Sierra Nevada all the way down to the mountains of South California by Mexico into Utah, into Colorado. Great news for you skiers that take that Mardi Gras break going into next week. It's looking very good. Fresh snow there, and you can see all the winter weather advisories, from winter storm warnings to winter weather advisories. And then farther south and east, severe weather during the course of this evening. Still have a tornado watch going. In fact, it looks like it's just being extended a little longer. That's why it's blinking right here. This goes till midnight generally, but probably extended now past that. And also flood warnings in effect for northern portions of Alabama. And you see the winter weather advisories back to the north and west. So another week where you have just about everything on the meteorological menu going on, not too far away from us. But for us, it's just mild. Breeze out of the south, not quite as breezy. So that fog that's been sitting offshore working its way inland, and that just gives us the kind of misty drizzles, low cloud deck here. As we mentioned, the cloud ceilings are at 200 to 300 feet, not that high up. But we do have some pretty healthy showers and a few rumbles of thunder ongoing from western Louisiana by Manny up through the Natchitoches area, up through Winfield, and then you see a little bit more in the way of cloud-to-ground lightning off to the northeast. And we did actually have a tornado warning for the east central part of the state as we left you at 6 o'clock this evening. Those storms moving on, that severe weather threat diminishing overnight. Tonight, temperatures stay in the upper 60s. The front doesn't make much inroads. We'll be in the mid-70s to upper 70s to near 80 tomorrow. But you get up to Ville Platte, Chico, and up through Alexandria, it's going to be markedly cooler. And again, that front works its way south tomorrow night, but then it kind of comes to a halt and comes back as a stationary front. So we'll see a few spotty showers from time to time going into Thursday. Eventually, that front moves on through. Tonight, temperatures upper 60s. Tomorrow, once again, will be in the 70s. Tomorrow night, that's the tricky forecast. Could be 50s or 60s, but back into the 70s on Thursday before we definitively cool down. The only issue in the near term, fog, and you can see the visibility about a half mile or less down along the coast first thing in the morning, so keep that in mind. The fog won't be as bad farther inland. 67 the low tonight with a few passing showers, misty drizzles out there. 78 the high for tomorrow afternoon. And as we move on into the 10-day forecast, we'll notice temperatures pushing 80 degrees. Next couple of days, we hit 80 today, by the way, and some rain chances. The best come Thursday night, but nothing too terribly heavy. And then as we head into Friday, Saturday, rain chances down. The Heroes Parade looks dry. Temperatures in the 50s. Bonaparte in the 50s. And look at this, Mardi Gras. I've raised the temperature now from 70 to 71 degrees.
You're living on the edge there,
Living
sir.
on the edge, but it's already looking much different than it looked yesterday.
Absolutely.
Tomorrow we might have
that would be
another storm.
perfect right there, so
Yeah.
let's not change it
Okay.
too much.
Okay.
Thanks,
Sounds
Rob.
good.